Wow, I could have sworn I saw some ducks in that scope. Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this iteration of Birds and Birding on the Eastern Shore. The course is in two parts, not necessarily related to one another. The first one deals with waterfowl, and the second one will deal with migrants, shorebirds, and migrating small songbirds in the spring. I'll start with some bad news and follow with some good news. The bad news is that in the last 50 years, we've lost a third of the North American bird population. That works out to about 3 billion birds gone over the past 50 years. That's the bad news because it takes place across all kinds of categories of birds, with one exception. The good news is waterfowl. Our waterfowl conservation efforts have paid off, and that group has actually increased by 30 or 40% over the past 50 years. We're going to explore why in this course as we go into the field and learn how to identify many of our wintering waterfowl, our ducks and geese, but also some other types of birds, loons and grebes, and maybe even a cormorant or two by the time we're through. Most of the teaching will be done in the field, and that's where we'll be going to venues both near and far, Ocean City Coast, Blackwater Refuge, and then 3 field trips to shorter venues that are local. I hope you all are looking forward to joining us, but remember to bundle up. Our waterfowl are not residents here. They're winter species, and in fact, we've got to go out in the weather to see them. But that's the key to their conservation, as you'll learn in Birds and Birding on the Eastern Shore.